What will be the difference between Solana and Ethereum? Well, both of them are popular blockchain well. And then they support apps will be saying one person they control. But something is different about them, especially for the way they work. Make we start with Ethereum. The person will start application where they control by one person. Smart contracts, they be programmed where they run automatically, where we saying one person they control. And in 2017, they launch them, and Vitalik Buterin, him start them for 2014. Well, now they use their hand to themselves because they can't become popular very quickly. And they can't be like say people can't they overcrowd the network. Transaction can't they slow, money can't they plenty where they use transact. It can't be difficult for a new project to work on top of them. But Solana can't start, and Anatoly Yakovenko introduced her for 2017, and it goes simple. Make it deliver fast transaction and small money when you go use transact. By the time their mainnets go live for 2020, now fresh idea come we make them different from Ethereum. But it gets some things we make them be the same with Ethereum. Two of them, then they call them layer 1, and then be yoga patawata we start, and then be the yoga for they support smart contracts and app we no be one person control. They get their own native coin, Ethereum, now it so for Solana. These coins they use and pay for some transaction fee and to they secure the network so that they go hack them. Through a process they call staking. One of the major difference now their consensus mechanism which they use agree for the system. How they will take accept transaction. Ethereum na proof of stake that they use. People would they lock their coin so that they go fit make decision to validate say transaction they okay. But Solana now proof of stake and proof of history then combine together to make it make sense. Just be like say clock where they secure so that we talk about how record fee enter and if it process and fast based on the time. Solana the way that they do it make it possible say if it process transaction fast up to 65 transactions per second, they use parallel processing. They allow plenty transaction make them verify them at the same time. Because of this users, people they pay small chicken money for the transaction. But Ethereum now just 13 to 15 transactions per second with small well. Because now small they use validate transaction and the cost fee high because people want me to do their own first. But to correct this one, Ethereum can bring out what they call layer 2, where they call optimism and arbitrum. Both of them separate but then build them on top of Ethereum. Then process transaction fast, but now chicken money you go pay before they go settle am for Ethereum itself. They will take them off chain. Ethereum they decentralized though and it is secured. Now 1 million validators they do them. And then they verify transaction what you do for the blockchain. For Solana na 1,400 people they validate their transaction. But you need to know say the decentralization they use many things to measure them. And it complex and they don't still they do debate on top of them. Both of them they still they evolve. Both Solana and Ethereum. Both of them they do well. Plenty application they on top of them and projects. Their community active well. Ethereum are the first mover. And they don't gather plenty market cap money. They call it total value log or TVL. But Solana, you know lose gather. They collect better money, active user day, activity for the network plenty, and it gives Ethereum serious run for money, body movement. We feel enjoy plenty movement for both of them because both of them they give us tough thing to run. For you to learn about decentralized application, you go see check the next video where they come. We'll do well. Enjoy yourself. Bye.